Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Garry from the Creator Academy in Australia. And what we want to do is we want to help out those of you that are teaching robotics in 2023. And the big thing is, with the ushering out of the Mindstorms brand, we just want to be able to answer any questions you might have concerning teaching robotics as they start to phase out the Mindstorms brand. And some of you might have some concerns, some questions, and some direction questions like where do we go from here? So what we want to do, Garry and myself, is field some questions from you guys and then put it into a video that we're planning to do together. So what he's going to do is throw out the questions to his YouTube viewers. I'm doing this the same with you guys, and be able to just bring it together and be able to help out those of you, hopefully, help out those of you with some issues, questions, concerns for yourself, your students, and where do we go from here with robotics in 2023 and beyond. And so this is just going to be something really cool to do together with Garry, and be able to hopefully shed some light, show some direction, some ideas, something that, you'll just be able to say, hey, I feel a little better now about what I'm doing with my students in my class with robotics. So what we'd love for you to do is just shoot them down in the comments section. And what I'm going to do is just take them all and go through all of them with Garry. Garry's going to do the same thing with his viewers, take all those questions, and hopefully we'll have this giant collaboration of questions that we can just start firing away at, trying to do our best to answer them. So I want to get those from you guys in the comments. Just write whatever concerns, questions you might have. Maybe have, shed some light on some ideas that you might have moving forward through this year, and then put them all together and hopefully be able to help out as many people as we can. So I can't do this without you guys, so feel free to throw down those questions. And again, I'm just going to collect them all and take them to Garry and his viewers and see what we can come up with. So it's going to be awesome. That's going to be sometime in a few weeks, so we can have some just time to collect those questions and be able to Zoom with each other and hopefully help you guys out, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be waiting to see what your questions are. My name is Mr. Hino for Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.